It's July in South Africa, and besides it being winter, there's one thing that we love about July, and that is Nelson Mandela Day, where South Africans gather together, where you donate some of your time or some donations to a worthy cause in bettering the community and bettering South Africa. And what we've done, myself, DIY with Elle, I've joined with Homemakers with their CSI initiative, Homemakers Care. And as you can see, behind me, it's super busy. What we've done is we've gathered together. I've joined my DIY skills. Homemakers have joined their skills with their staff, giving their hearts and their souls to creating DIY dog houses and kennels for underprivileged and organizations that are taking care of our stray animals.
HOMEMAKERS Care is part of our genes. It's really part of who we are, it's our heart. And this is why we are building kennels today and to give back to the community. And it is so humbling to be out here today with all the Homemakers staff building and just having that camaraderie today and giving back our 67 minutes and a little bit more.
We are going to be donating these dog houses to the SPCA in Alberton, which is in need of some dog homes, and Balls and All, which is a sterilization NGO based in Rolihlahla that sterilizes the stray animals in the area. We have built these kennels from scratch with major help from our sponsors, and I just want to say a huge thank you to Homemakers for letting us have this day and putting in the time for our community, and to our sponsors, Prominent Paints. Thank you so much for the roof paint. It really helps. Eco Rubber for just helping with all those joins and making sure that no liquid and water gets into the kennels. To Eureka for all the screws and the bits, thank you so much. And to Vermont Sales for lending us 3 power drills. So thank you to all the sponsors and everyone involved. It has been an incredible day.
I also want to just say again, thank you to all our sponsors and also to Elle and her team. We can't do it without you.
This is all what it takes to just do some good in your area, and I'm happy to partner with Homemakers Cares. We'll be in touch in the next video. Email us to the email you see on screen right now and let us know of an NGO or an organization, non-profit organization in your area that you would like us to come together, mix a bit of DIY, mix a bit of love and care and help someone else or a company in need. Remember, keep smiling and DIYing.